Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is fractions. I know many of you are familiar with the terms fraction. Fraction means any complete one thing when we are dividing into equal parts. Whole thing. Suppose, as for example, this is a chalk pencil. Okay. This chalk pencil is complete one whole thing, isn't it? The chalk pencil is complete on one whole thing, and this is complete one whole thing. And when this one is divided, then it will become fraction. It means suppose I am dividing. This is not equal. Just for example, I am dividing. So it becomes now fraction. As for example, this is suppose complete one thing, chalk pencil is there, and when it is divided into two parts, it becomes fraction. It is how many part is there? Two part is there. That's why 1 by 2. It means one complete thing I am dividing into two equal parts. So, as for example, this is a triangle. This triangle I am dividing into two parts. That's why it is 1 by 2. And the left part I am shading with a red color. It means out of these two parts, one part is shading. Next here, this is a one square. This square is divided into four parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. And out of these four parts, three parts I am shading with the blue colors. That is shading part. Okay, that shaded part is how many parts? Three parts. That is I am written in the up. In upper part of a fraction is called numerator. Okay, and the down part of a fraction is called denominator. It means always remember upper number of a fraction, it indicates how many parts of that size are colored. So it means how many portions we are colored or we are shaded. Three parts. And down part or lower number of a fraction is shows how many equal parts a whole is divided. Means complete thing. This two is what? This two dividing. It means how many means one complete thing in how many equal parts we are dividing. In that is representing the lower part of a fraction. It means how many equal parts a whole is divided into. How many equal parts a whole is divided into. That is represented by lower part of a fraction or lower number. And the upper part of a fraction is indicates means how many parts that size are colored or shaded. And upper part of a fraction is called numerator, and down part of a fraction is called denominator. And this is suppose complete whole thing, and when we are dividing it becomes fraction. So suppose your chocolate bar, then your Dairy Milk, Kit Kat. I know everybody is having. So if you want to break it, if you break it, then it will become a fraction. With chocolate bar, Dairy Milk, Milky Bar. There are some few examples. Okay. Similarly, your pizza. Pizza is coming in a circle shape, isn't it? When the pizzas are cutting into shape wise, it one shape it will come like a triangle shapes are just coming. So these are all our examples of fractions. So fractions mean any one complete whole thing dividing. Okay, dividing into equal parts. And upper part of a fraction is called numerator. Down part of a fraction is called denominator. Okay. Now how to read a fraction? This one we can say 1 by 2 or half. We can say 1 by 2 or half. we can say 1 by 2. 1, this middle symbol is your division symbol, fraction symbol, 1 by 2 or half. Similarly, this one we can say 3 by 4 or 3/4. 3/4. 3/4 or 3/4. This is the way we are reading a fraction. I hope that much you have understood. Please go through the video. Thank you. Take care.